So drawing 5 here, I'm going to build this section here with the red and blue and red axes. So I'm going to go red for 6, blue for 3, red for 3, then pause. Let's try that. Here's shape 5. I'm going to go red. There's red. Red for 6. And I said blue for 3. And it was red for 3. I'm going to pause that line and then build some more. So I built what I knew. I knew 6, 3, and 3. So I'm going to build here. Blue for 1 3/4. And then this length also has to be 3 because 3" plus 3" is 6". So blue for 1 3/4 and then red for 3. So I'm going to go blue for, if I go 1 space 3/4, hit enter, and it's going to be red for 3. And this length is whatever that is. So now I've kind of got this shape drawn. 6 3 3, that length 3. I'm going to build this zone next. This goes into the page with the green axis. So I got to remove this surface, orbit a little bit. I'm going to build into the screen a little bit here. Okay. So you got to go 3 inches in, 3 up. Then 1 3/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 3/4. So I'm going to go green for 3 inches in, and then 3 inches up. And then it was 1 3/4, down 1 1/4, and over 1 1/4. So now I have this zone done and that zone done. I'm going to build this little top piece next. It's 2 by 1 3/4 by 2. So it goes red for 2, green for 1 3/4, and then 2. What's next? This vertical piece, 1 1/4, 1 3/4, 1 1/4. So it goes 1 1/4. This way, 1 3/4, then straight down. What's next? This top zone is 4 by 1 3/4. So I'm going to go 4 by 1 3/4, and back home again. And then I have to build inside pieces next a bit. This depth here, same as this depth, same as this depth, same as that depth. So if I go 3 back, which I can do, up whatever that is, and 3 back. So I'm going to go 3 inches back, and then this height is the same as that height, which is 1 1/4, and it goes 3 back, then they connect. On it's green, so I know I'm correct. I'm going to escape, draw a line from here to here. That was green, that's good. Click here to here, green, good. The last line is going to be here to there. Was it blue? Yes. Is the shape done? No. Here's why. Back is still hollow. So to build this, I need to build a back that kind of makes sense for it. And my guess is, I can't see, probably going to be a square bottom. A 3 by 6 square bottom. 6 inches, 3 inches, 6 inches, 3 inches. I'll build that first. So I have a 6-inch line. I'm going to come green for 3 and then go red for 6. If I connect that corner blue to that corner, that shape is done. Double check it once. Back good, side good, top good, front's good, and that shape is done.